Let's have a real talk, a heart-to-heart about something that affects every single one of us, every single day. It's not about politics or the latest celebrity gossip. It's about something far more fundamental. Look at what's on your plate. Really look. What do you see? Is it vibrant, alive, and nourishing? Or is it processed, packaged, and, well, frankly, dead? We're in a food crisis, a silent epidemic that's sweeping across our nations, impacting our health, our well-being, and even our future. And the scary part is, most of us don't even realize it. We're so accustomed to the way things are, to the endless aisles of processed foods, that we've become numb to the reality of what we're actually consuming. We've been sold a lie, a carefully crafted illusion designed to keep us hooked on cheap, convenient, and ultimately unhealthy food, by companies that care only about profit, not our health, not our communities, and certainly not the future of our planet. Their bottom line is all that matters. It's time to wake up, to shake off the fog of misinformation and see the food system for what it truly is, and get angry about what's happening to our bodies and our future. It's okay to be mad. In fact, it's necessary. Anger can be a powerful catalyst for change. This isn't just about food, it's about so much more. It's a rebellion, a fight for our health, our autonomy, and our right to choose what we put into our bodies. For too long, we've let corporations decide what we eat, dictating our diets and shaping our palates with their cleverly engineered products. They've convinced us that cooking is a chore, a burden to be avoided at all costs, and that their products are the answer, the quick and easy solution to our busy lives. But the power is still in your hands. You have the ability to reclaim control. Your kitchen, the heart of your home, can become your sanctuary. Your shopping basket, a tool for change, a statement of intent. Your choices, the building blocks of a healthier you and a more sustainable world. Every time you pick a fresh vegetable, a vibrant piece of fruit, over a packet of crisps, a sugary snack, you're voting for your health and a better food system. You're casting a vote for a future where real food reigns supreme. This isn't about being perfect, about depriving yourself or becoming a food fanatic. It's about small, powerful steps, incremental changes that add up to a significant impact. Start a movement in your own home, a ripple effect that spreads to your family, your friends, and your community. Rediscover the joy of real food, the pleasure of cooking from scratch, the satisfaction of nourishing your body with wholesome ingredients. This is your fight, your chance to take back control of your health and your future, and we can win it, one honest meal at a time, one delicious, nourishing, and empowering meal at a time. Are you ready to ditch the junk, to break free from the chains of processed food, and start a rebellion from your kitchen? A culinary revolution that starts with you. Take back control from those feeding us rubbish for decades, profiting from our ill health and dependence. Demand better for yourself and your family. Demand real food, real ingredients, and real health. The time for passivity is over. The time for excuses is done. The rebellion for real health starts now, with every conscious choice you make. With your next meal, make it count. So what's the enemy that's lurking in our pantries and dominating our diets? What are we truly up against when we try to eat healthier? It's ultra-processed food. These aren't your grandma's home-cooked meals. It's not just food with a bit of salt or sugar to enhance the flavor. We're talking about something far more insidious. It's industrial creations, concocted in massive factories, far removed from anything resembling a natural kitchen. These products are made with ingredients you'd never dream of using at home. They're designed for shelf life and profit, not for your well-being. Hydrogenated oils, cheap and stable, but detrimental to your health. High fructose corn syrup, a sweetener that's become ubiquitous in the modern diet. And a cocktail of additives, preservatives, and artificial colors designed to extend shelf life and enhance appeal. These products are meticulously engineered to look and taste like food, mimicking the textures and flavors we crave. But in reality, they're a mere ghost of the real thing, lacking the vital nutrients and beneficial compounds found in whole foods. An apple, bursting with natural sweetness and fiber, is real food. An apple-flavored gummy snack, loaded with sugar and artificial ingredients? That's ultra-processed. Scientists in labs meticulously design these foods to be addictive, triggering reward centers in our brains, not nourishing our bodies. They fill supermarket shelves, dominating the aisles with their colorful packaging and enticing promises. Cereals, often marketed as healthy breakfast options, are frequently loaded with sugar and artificial additives. Fizzy drinks, offering a temporary sugar rush but devoid of any nutritional value. Ready meals, promising convenience but often packed with sodium, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. Packaged cakes offering a sweet treat but contributing little to our overall health. They're cheap, convenient, and seemingly everywhere we look, from supermarkets to convenience stores. Food companies spend billions of dollars each year making sure we see them, want them, and ultimately buy them, often without a second thought. We've been led to believe that this is normal, that these processed products are a standard part of a balanced diet. But the truth is, it's not. It's a carefully constructed illusion, and it's not your fault if you've fallen for it. These products are meticulously designed to be irresistible, hijacking our natural cravings and making it difficult to resist. Clever marketing tactics and engineered flavors work in tandem to keep us hooked, creating a cycle of craving and consumption. But knowledge is power, and understanding what you're putting into your body is the first step towards reclaiming your health. Once you know what to look for on those ingredient lists, you can't unsee it. The truth becomes glaringly obvious. These aren't foods in the traditional sense. They're industrial commodities, churned out in factories with the primary goal of maximizing profit. Understanding the nature of ultra-processed food, recognizing its deceptive tactics, is the crucial first step to taking back control of your diet and your health. Pull back the curtain, expose the illusion, and see the truth about what you're really eating. Your health, your well-being, and your future depend on it. Start questioning what's really in your food, challenge the marketing messages, and demand transparency. The rebellion against ultra-processed food begins with awareness, with a conscious choice to prioritize real food over industrial creations. Our bodies are built for real food, not chemical-laden, factory-made products. When you eat this stuff, your body gets confused, like putting diesel in a petrol car. The result? The damage is slow and sneaky, building up over years. It's not just one bad meal, it's thousands of choices pushed by a profit-driven system. But you can stop this. Give your body the right ammunition, fresh, real food. Fight for your health every single day. Your body deserves better. The rebellion starts on your plate. Ready to fight back? Here's how to spot the enemy. Your best weapon, the ingredients list. Ignore flashy claims. Read the small print. If it's full of unpronounceable words or has more than 5 ingredients, be suspicious. Real food is simple. Carrots, eggs, plain yogurt. Trust your instincts. Does it look like real food? Can you picture how it was grown or made? If it's weirdly perfect, brightly colored, or lasts forever, avoid it. Get back in the kitchen and cook. Think you don't have time or skill? That's a myth. Cooking can be quick and simple. An omelet or a pot of chili beats a takeaway any day. If you can read, you can cook. Start with basics. There are thousands of free, easy recipes online. Cooking from scratch is almost always cheaper and healthier. Bulk ingredients like potatoes, onions, and lentils are affordable and versatile. Use seasonal veg and cheaper cuts to save money and eat better. Get your kids involved, teach them to cook, and set them up for life. The kitchen should be the heart of your home, not a place to avoid. Make cooking a joyful daily habit. Turn off the telly, put on music, and create something real together. This is your kitchen revolution. Own it. Take back control, one meal at a time. The rebellion starts at home. What happens when you ditch the junk and eat real food? Everything changes. Your energy soars, the afternoon slump disappears, and you wake up refreshed. Your skin glows, aches fade, and your digestion improves. Real food fills you up and nourishes you, making weight management effortless. Your mind sharpens, brain fog lifts, and your mood improves. You feel happier, calmer, and more resilient. It's a powerful upward spiral. Better food, better life. This isn't deprivation, it's abundance. Discover the joy of real flavors and sharing meals you've cooked with love. You're not just changing your diet, you're upgrading your life. Choose energy, clarity, and joy. Invest in your health and happiness. That's the real payoff. Your kitchen rebellion creates a ripple effect. Your family sees your energy and happiness. Kids learn that real food is normal. You break the cycle of processed food and give them the best start. Friends and colleagues notice, ask questions, and get inspired. You become a leader in your community just by living better. Every pound spent on fresh local food supports a kinder, healthier food system. You help build a culture of quality and respect for nature. Change starts from the ground up. Millions saying no to junk, yes to real food. When we stop buying ultra-processed rubbish, companies have to listen. Every choice adds up. You're part of a growing movement demanding better. So, now you know the truth. How will you use this newfound awareness? Will you keep sleepwalking, blindly following the same old patterns, or will you rise up and join the food rebellion? A movement towards healthier, more sustainable eating habits. Be a revolutionary, a champion for change. Your kitchen is your headquarters, the central command for your personal food revolution, and your shopping basket, your ballot box. Every purchase is a vote for the kind of food system you want to support. Every home-cooked meal is an act of defiance, a powerful statement against the processed food industry. Every fresh vegetable is a vote for a better future, a step towards a healthier and more sustainable world. It's about progress. Small changes can lead to big results over time. Start today with your next meal. Make a conscious choice to nourish your body with real, wholesome ingredients. Imagine a future where real food is normal, where access to healthy options is a right, not a privilege, where hospitals aren't full of diet-related disease and local food thrives, supporting communities and economies. This future is possible, but only if we fight for it, if we actively work towards creating a better food system for ourselves and future generations. We have to be the change we wish to see in the world. It starts with us, with our choices, with our actions.